Present good morning to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. May the peace, mercy and blessing of Allah be upon you. Today's topic, verbs. What is a verb? What it shows? It shows the action of the subject or what is possessed by the subject. What it shows? It shows the work done by the subject. So what is the definition of verb? A verb is a word that is used to indicate the position or condition of the subject to denote the action of the subject. What it denotes, what it shows, the action of the subject or what is possessed by the subject, what the work has done by the subject, that is verb. In short, verb is nothing but work done by the subject. For example, they played cricket. They did some work here. What the work they did? They played. Played is also work. Okay. So this work is done by the subject. They played cricket. Here in this example, played is a verb. Second example, Imran studied in the night. So Imran also, he did some work. What the work he has done? Studied. Okay. Now next example, she is a hard working girl. Okay. Here also she did a lot of hard work. It means verb. Is a verb, helping verb or auxiliary verb. So Sana likes donuts. Sana likes. Here what she likes it shows. So verb. Sana likes a donuts. There are two main classes of verbs, main verb and auxiliary verbs. So main verbs are very large in number, while auxiliary verbs are a small group. Auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are a small group. So main verbs, some of the main verbs are eat, study, run, erase. And auxiliary verbs are helping verbs: be, do, have, will, can, may, might, could, should and must. I taught this auxiliary verb while I taught you tenses. Now main verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. Main verb, it can be either transitive or intransitive. What is transitive verb? A verb that needs an object. A verb that needs an object to complete its meaning is called a transitive verb. So in the sentence what we required? It required an object. Okay, for example, he asked a question. What he asked? A question. What is question? Object. Okay, he asked a question. He is a subject. Asked verb. What he asked? Question. So question is object. Next, I read a book. I read what? A book. A book is an object. Next, Imran cleans the room. Imran cleans what? The room. Room is an object in this example. So again, some main verbs are eat, study, run, erase and so on. It is a large group. Okay. So auxiliary verbs or helping verbs are be, do, have, will, can, may, might, could, should and must. Main verbs can be either transitive or intransitive. In short, a verb that needs an object to complete its meaning is called transitive verb. A verb that does not require an object is called intransitive verb. Is called intransitive verb. A verb which need an object is transitive verb. A verb that does not require an object is called an intransitive verb. What is an intransitive verb? A verb which does not require an object to complete its meaning is called an intransitive verb. It means it does not require an object to complete its meaning. For example, Mohan ran. Mohan ran, where is the object in this sentence? No. It doesn't have any object. So it is intransitive verb. Imran laughed. Imran is subject, laughed is verb. No object. So intransitive verb. The bell rang. The bell rang. Rang is verb. No object. So it is intransitive verb. So a transitive verb needs an object, but in intransitive verb it doesn't require an object to complete its meaning. Okay, now let us see some few examples which are given in this grammar book. Let me tell you the first example. Tanya is reading a comic. They mentioned particularly what Tanya was doing, what Tanya is doing. So Tanya is reading. Tanya is reading a comic. A comic is transitive verb because it has an object. Next, the milkman is ringing the bell. Ringing what? The bell. Bell is object. So transitive verb. The two friends played chess. What they played? Chess. Chess is object. So transitive verb. Next example, the baby is sleeping. Sleeping is verb after no object. So intransitive verb. Next, everyone is congratulating him. Everyone is congratulating to whom? To him. Him is object. So transitive verb. Next one, she gave him some money. What she gave? Some money. So money is object. Transitive verb. Neha is swimming. Where? Not mention the object. So intransitive verb. Next example, they sang. They sang. They sang what? No object. Intransitive verb. And it continue. And danced to. They danced to. No object. So intransitive verb. So these are the few examples of intransitive and transitive verb.